In this lecture I want to show you next project because I have created a part, but first I want to show you something, because like you see now, if we check inside, and also it's we can use a core, 3 core, but it's a problem when we custom, because it can be some gap between core, and we have a material inside, and it's better if we use sun core for this type of part. But first I want to show you how should be floating. Try it, and it's better if we start something like that. And from here, from here start filled with aluminium, and in top we can leave like that, but in same in both sides it should be same because it's symmetric. You can have it same in both sides, and if it's important part for pour, it's better if you use a filter here. But first it's better if you test without filter, and also if you have for example 5000 for year for costing, it's better if you have a two port in one unit, and it's better you have it 2 port here and 1 here. Yeah, and also you can change filter, move that place here, and have it 1 filter for both part, and continue with the 2. When you decide to go with a 2 insert or 2 part, be careful here in gauge, because should be different, not same, because pressure is going this gauge more and go faster, and here it's go slower because we don't have the same pressure here. If you have a filter, it's more stable, but if you don't have a filter, it's this first it's go faster, filled with aluminium, but it's no problem because we have used a filter. And also we can test with the 2 and make a simulation and see how it's go. Before we start to make a mold, we need to think, because we have here we have a thread, and also we have a thread here, and also we have a thread here in this area, but we need to think, because we need to have a draft in this area, because in this plan we need to have a split line, and same, and also here, and we need to have a draft. When we create, but we can create a draft here, but not inside, but we need to move face first, and after that we need to create a draft. And we need to think also, when we cut, not go in part, but we need to leave a space when we machine it, to have a material for machine it in same in 3. But we can go first and we can create some sketch. Not in this plan, but in this plan. I want to move face, but I want to have it mark it here, because I want to see when we move space and face, and also when we create a draft. Now we have a plan, but we can move face. It's when we cut, we need to think, because it's about 2 mm it's for cutting, and if we have a 10, we can have it like that, and we can go in draft with this plan. We can edit this, and also this should be in same, and we can create it 5. And we can go same in another way, not sketch, but we can go in draft, in same plan. We can go and control it in plan. We can see here it looks in same direction, but we need to change direction. Now we have a correct, but we have a space we can measure. Can measure also like that sketch. We can measure also and see here it's 8.6, and we have a space. It's better if we leave a space for here, and it's okay. And now we continue because we need to have to know size for Scala. And size for Scala, we want to check it's under 150, and we can go with a 1.0079 or 1.008 in Scala. We go mold. 008, and inside should be sun core, but we can go in select tangents and go offset surface. We can say 0, and now we have a shape for a sun core, and we can add body, create body. We go in hull because I want to close and create a body from surface. We can say enter and go in same command again. We go in same like that. And now we can create a body. Create solid from this, and we have a solid. We have two solid now. This is sun, and that is support. But we need to think when we put in mold how to stack, not move in the sun. But first we can move face. And I'm thinking how should be. Because should be outside. Rebuild and we save.